In the bustling heart of a 1960s city, where neon lights flicker and jazz melodies float through the air, life moves at an exhilarating pace. Yet, in the darker corners of this vibrant metropolis, danger and chaos lurk. In a particularly shadowy alley, trouble brews. A figure, cloaked in darkness and exuding menace, disrupts the night's stillness with malicious intent. The crackle of broken glass and distant shouts echo through the narrow lane. Just as despair begins to creep in, hope arrives in the form of a bright streak across the moonlit rooftops. It is the city's mysterious hero, adorned in a vivid costume that clashes brilliantly with the night. Leaping with feline grace, the hero lands amidst the chaos, ready to restore order. With a flurry of bold punches and powerful kicks, each movement is punctuated by a resounding bim, or pow, as flesh meets resistance. The villain, taken aback by the hero's agility and strength, falters. Their dance of combat is swift, a mesmerizing blend of shadow and light, good and evil. The hero's eyes, determined and unwavering, reflect the city's very soul, a desire for justice and peace. Finally, after a series of relentless blows, the villain is subdued, lying on the cold ground, the menace drained from their gaze. The alley, once a scene of turmoil, now rests in tranquil silence. Sirens wail in the distance, signaling the arrival of the authorities. The hero, satisfied with the night's work, ascends once more to the rooftops, disappearing into the nocturnal tapestry of the cityscape. As whispers of gratitude spread among the city's denizens, they find solace in knowing that their silent guardian watches from the shadows. Whenever danger looms, their protector will return, a beacon of hope in a world that constantly teeters on the brink of chaos.